good morning. So today I'm gonna show you what we do or what's the nature of our job here. So this is like this one, the madam are gonna call and request their order here. So this is a black coffee. Yeah, this is where we make our black coffee here. Yeah, we just put here the coffee and then put the filter, and that's it. And this is a coffee machine too. If you want something, like you just click here, 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 and then it will give you the coffee that you like. If you want espresso coffee or cappuccino, whatever, it's very easy. And here's the cups, CITC cups, and
small, medium, large.
Yeah, small, medium, large, and
this one, Tim Hortons.
This Tim Hortons, and this is my beautiful colleague.
Hello guys, good afternoon.
Yeah, this is the filter. This is what we use when we make black coffee. There, the one that I've shown you a while ago, and this are the Nescafe and Coffee Mate cream. This is milk. Yeah, this is what they use if they want to make their own coffee.
This is the chocolate powder.
Yeah, this is a chocolate powder if they like to. And this glass is for the juices. And this is a diet sugar. Yep.
This one in chamomile tea.
Yeah, this is chamomile tea. It is very nice, but this chamomile tea, I think this is good if you are having an insomnia and you can drink it. Yeah, this is for relaxing. And these are the tea. Yeah, we have anise tea. We have here, what is this tea?
Alcobos tea.
Alcobos tea. Yeah, Arabian red tea. Lepton, this is Lipton green tea, and this is Al Rabia. Yeah, this is mint. This is
dates.
This is dates, but in Arabic this is tamar, yellow tea. Yeah, this is yellow tea is a regular tea, and this is mint. Some of them want their tea to have a mint. Yeah, and this is gawa, or they call it Arabic coffee. Yeah, and that's all. This is the place, and here are things here. So